guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is actually going to be my how to braid video. I know y'all been asking for this. I know I said it a while back, but I wanted to blow out my hair so that you guys can actually see what I'm doing, so that when we do it in the shower, because I am going to do one where we actually do it in the shower the same way I did the braid in the shower, but I do want to show you guys the technique with my hair blown out. So my hair is blown out. And I also did a trim. If you guys haven't watched that video, I will put it right here where I actually talk about my hair. We do a length check and all that good stuff. So, not a real length check, but just go to the video, okay? So my hair is all nice and trimmed and all that good stuff. So we are good to go and to hop right into this video. So let's get started. I just put this satin scrunchie on as a ponytail, honestly, for no reason. I just wanted to match my shirt. I think that's so cute when you got like a blue shirt and a blue hair bow. I'm so matchy. But let's do two braids. The issue is that a lot of people do not know how to braid to the scalp, and that is a really valid issue. When I first used to braid to the scalp, I would just literally just braid to the scalp, like I was really trying to make sure it was to the scalp, but that's not the technique, sir. I realized that's not the technique. It's just a twist grab technique, and that's what we're going to be doing today. Now this type of braid is honestly for people who has thick hair, who just want to do two braids randomly one day. Like, this is not a hey, I'm about to be a braider tutorial. Sis, you're not gonna be a braider with this. You really not. Like, you gonna suck, because it's not gonna be super tight to your head. It's gonna be like a loose braid that will probably actually give you a nice braid out effect or a nice wavy hair effect, but it's not gonna give you like super tight to the scalp braids. I know how to do those, but we're not doing that right now. I just want to show you guys basically the basics so that you know how to do a braid. So let's get started, guys. So I'm gonna put my hair down the middle just so you guys can see it really clear. Okay, and let me tell you something, friend. I'm breaking out on my face, okay? I've had some hormonal changes happening. I'm gonna zoom in. Beware, friend. It's coming. So I'm gonna zoom in so that you guys can see what I'm doing right now. Okay, are you close enough? I feel like you're close enough. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle my hair. I'm gonna be using the Felicia. Why am I calling her Felicia? Felicia Leatherwood brush, girl. I don't know what I'm doing. Felicia, if you're out there, if there's someone named Felicia, your name keep popping up in my head, girl. So I'm just gonna brush this out. Let's get started. So first, I take my finger and I just go ahead and get me 3 pieces. So basically, grab one section, right? It don't matter. I like to do mine at an angle. Just kind of go down, just, you know, nothing too serious. That's what I like to do. But then I realize it's too much hair, and then I'll be like, all right, so let's see. Let's do like that much hair. And what you want to do is cut it into 3 pieces evenly. Okay, one piece, 2 piece, 3 piece. Okay, so my tutorial is going to be for people who know how to do a plait. If you don't know how to do a plait, you need to watch a plait video first, okay? If you don't know how to plait, don't go to braiding. You need to know how to plait first before you try to braid. But if you know how to plait, this video is for you. Start off with your 3 pieces. So you want to make sure that's tight. When you start plaiting, then take a section, literally take a whole section, and then just add it in to 1 piece. It doesn't matter which piece, just 1 piece, and then continue to plait. You can see there's 1 piece that's extra thick and the rest are 2 tiny ones on this side. So you want to just place another one in your finger. Literally, you're just plaiting, you guys. Plait downwards and add hair, literally, to the section that you feel like needs more hair. So that one's small, add more hair to that one, continue to go down, and you're literally just plaiting it. Just keep plaiting and then adding hair. Y'all see this? So plait, add hair. And as y'all can see, I don't know what hair I'm at. I'm literally just adding hair from this corner. Literally, you want to smooth all that down. So look. Tight. Plait. Plaiting. Plaiting and a plaiting and a plaiting. Grab hair and add it into the braid. And then tighten it. Tighten it. Pull. Tighten. Tighten. Add hair. As you guys can see, this is a braid where all this hair is smooth, and then your braid is going to be on the outskirts of your edges. But it's a super easy way to braid because all you're doing is plaiting down like a normal plait, right? And then just adding hair. Now, I'm not braiding it this way. That's a different type of braid. That's not what we're doing. Okay? This method will not get you that. It will, but you will have to pick up the hair going this way. It's a little harder, but you can do it. This is the start so that you understand the method of braiding. So you just plaiten, and then when you see a portion, when you get to that section that you feel like, okay, I need to add hair, add the hair. And then I just like to pull everything else super tight like this, and then add hair. Get to that point, and we're done. My hands hurt. My hands are cramping, but we are done. And as y'all can see, do you guys not see how perfect that is? All I did was go down from a plait and add hair. And this is exactly what I did in that shower. And you guys love that. And I love it too. I love just throwing these little braids in. This is a beginner braider session, y'all. This ain't for people who know how to braid or anything like that. It's just 2 simple braids on thick hair. So then get to the end. Of course, you want to just rubber band it. And then go about your day. Now, this isn't perfect, y'all, because I literally was trying to show y'all how to do it. But y'all get the concept. It is a braid. All right, so let's do the other side, you guys. Go ahead and brush it out. And mind y'all, I don't have any product on my hair because I am trying to do another hairstyle after this. So let's just do the other side. So I just like to go ahead and put my finger in there, you guys know. Separate 3 different portions. And then just go ahead and start plaiting down. Then once you get the section you would like to start off with, that's when you start grabbing. So I seen a piece of hair that was super tiny that I grabbed. So I want to start with that one. Adding hair, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add that hair into that. As you can see, this is the only piece that doesn't have hair added. Okay, y'all see that? And I'm still just plaiting downwards. Okay, 1, 2, and then I have that, the piece that I just had, I have it now in my hand to grab other hair with. So I'm just gonna part with my other hand and grab some hair. Honestly, you don't have to part it. I'm just parting it just so y'all can see it more clearly. But honestly, I don't part it, so it's like bothering me to part it. So it's like, I'll just do that, and then I just grab some hair, honestly. I'll just start plaiting, as you can see. Plait, plait, grab some hair. As you can see, it's very thick. I have not been tightening it up. So you want to make sure you're tightening it up, or else it's gonna look like very loose, like it was just looking. You have to tighten it after you add hair, so you like literally pull it up if you have to. Add hair, smooth that hair down if you need to. Continue to plait and pull up while you're plaiting, and grab more hair as you're braiding. It does look better if you part it though, I will say that. Like, it doesn't get as sloppy. But I'm just showing y'all how fast it can be done though. This is how I do it in real time. And even though this one isn't really like super perfect, because I didn't pull really tight here. You want to make sure you're pulling really tightly like every single time you do it, so that your braid comes out perfect. The more you pull up on it like this, I'm gonna show you the difference between when I didn't do the pull up and when I did. You'll see like everything's just a lot more perfect when you do that pull up. Like, tighten it, you know what I'm saying? If you guys don't start with a solid like 3-strand braid, it will look very lumpy. The beginning just doesn't look like a braid, as you can tell, because I was acting real sloppy with it. And then you could tell it's trying to start it as a braid, but I didn't tighten it a lot right here. As you can see, I did not tighten it here, but on this side, you could tell I was really tightening this up. And as you can see, it's a very uniform braid. But once you're going down on this one, it's like, what happened right here, friend? And that's because I stopped pulling and making sure it was tight. So you can do them very loose, you can do them nice and tight, but it's really easy, you guys, like really easy. Just take your 3 strands, start to plait, and then just add hair to that one, and then start braiding again, add it to the next one, start braiding again, add it to the last piece, start braiding again, start over with the next piece, start braiding again, well, plaiting again, start over with the next piece. And that's honestly what I did. I kept going, just plaiting. Like, I didn't try and go this way and just like try to, like, I didn't try to do any of that because you don't have to. So I just wanted to show you guys like a basic braiding look, you know? So this is how I do my braids. I'm gonna take these out, you guys know, so don't even worry about that, and don't even worry about it being super together. But I also like to put my side part and then do my braid that way, because since it is on the forehead kinda, it looks really good if you do a part on the side and just kind of have that braid. It gives you like that braided halo look. This is kind of like the halo braid kinda, if you want to do that. Now I do like to put these up like this and tuck them in with some bobby pins, friend. And this is like my go run errands, or if my hair is deep conditioning type of look. I'm not gonna do it right now, but you guys can see how it looks. It normally looks like this. Tuck that in, so like that. I think that's a cute style and all, but I do like to do this in the shower, and I will be showing you guys how I do it in the shower again. I'll put a little clip right here so that you guys can see from my last shower routine what I did. I did go super fast, but I will be showing you my in-shower braids very soon. But I hope you guys really like this tutorial, or like this like zoomed in aspect of my braids, and you guys get to see everything. So appreciate it. But I hope you guys really like this video. If you took some tools from this, or you want to try it out, let me know. If you braid like this already, let me know. But I hope you guys like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.